guys, welcome to the channel. Today is August 2nd and today is day 2, but the vlog will be continuing from yesterday night, that is August 1st. And look who I have with me, my daughter. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so she just had her breakfast and me and my husband drank tea and biscuits and all we had, and that's all about our breakfast. And guys, actually what happened, my husband yesterday, you people would have noticed that he was washing clothes and we put it in the terrace, but yesterday it was heavy rain in Bangalore, and we had to wash the clothes again because of the rain, because clothes we were not able to take because it was already wet clothes, and there's no option, and our balcony is not so big that we can tie a thread and put the clothes here. So that's the reason, and that's it. So do you want to say something? So that's all, guys. I will show you the house. I mean, I'm not cleaned the house till now. So we were just sitting in the bed and I just thought to start the vlog. So the bed is, I've not made the bed yet, and come. And my daughter, she's played some song, some God song, because that's what she does. Morning she gets up and she hears morning God songs. That's my house, and house is almost gone. I mean, I have not cleaned the house yet because we got up late yesterday night. We slept late, and still there is wind outside. You can see the trees moving. There's all mama, no mama. So she's just fiddling something there, and that's it, guys. And here I'm in front of the mirror. That's me vlogging. This bandage, I still have the pain, guys, so I have not taken the bandage out. And that's it. That's the balcony outside there. It's still windy outside, and I don't know if it's going to rain today again, because he's again put the cloths on top in the terrace, but there is sun, but I don't know if it's going to rain by the afternoon. But I told him that don't do anything now, because let's wait till 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, so we'll get to know whether it's going to rain or not. But he's like, the clothes will smell, and my daughter's Nesa's clothes are there more, so that's the reason. Because she makes dirty all her clothes, like morning clothes she makes it dirty, afternoon whichever we put her newly. So it's necessary for us to wash the clothes, her clothes especially, if not ours also, but her clothes is must that we have to wash. And that's it, guys. My husband has gone to terrace to put the clothes for drying, and that's it. I'll meet you after some time. Bye bye. And one more thing, guys. Today's lunch is I don't know what we are going to prepare. Yesterday night, as you will see in my vlog, that my sister-in-law, she gave pumpkin curry and fish. So she gave bhangra fish and matti fish. So you will see in the vlog, yesterday's vlog, which will be added in the same vlog. I have a bit of cold because I ate guava yesterday, and yesterday night I ate the guava, so I think I'm getting the cold, but that's okay, it'll go off. I have to just drink a turmeric milk. Especially at this time, if you get cold and all, no, it makes you get scared, because you know this virus is going on, and but this is because of the pumpkin. This is because of the guava, and definitely I drank Coke yesterday night from the fridge, so this is what has happened to me. So I'm going to drink turmeric milk for the cold, and just to make my body get immune a bit. And that's it, guys. And yeah, this kurti I have got from it's a very old dress, I mean kurti kind, and that's all, guys. And I will do in my next vlog, in my next video, I'll be telling you about my pregnancy, like pregnancy things, what happened during my pregnancy, and how much we suffered during my pregnancy. From one doctor to other doctor, from one hospital to other hospital. It was a mess, guys, during my pregnancy, and because it's just me and my husband, and it was that she was our first she's our first baby, so we don't know much about which doctor to go or where to go, and we were just we wasted a lot of money and many more things. I will just let you know in the next vlog. The next vlog will be on pregnancy. So any you guys, if any mothers are watching, I'm just seeing the TV ad. So any people out there who are pregnant or who have just gone through the delivery, so be safe guys, and especially the pregnant ladies out there, please be safe. Don't go out anywhere except your except your doctors. And my daughter is just climbing the sofa. So accept the doctors, and whenever you eat something or somebody gets from outside fruits or veggies, wash them very properly. I don't know, I think you get some herbal vegetables and fruit wash. I will just check in the net and I will upload it for you guys, because somebody told to me also to use it but then I didn't buy it till now. I have to buy it because it's only, especially we just wash it in the running water, the fruits and vegetables, but you should not do that actually, because this virus, as we all know, it doesn't dies washing just in the water. But I will search in the net and I'll put the link in the description box of the herbal which you have to use for washing vegetables, fruits, and it is very safe guys. It's herbal, definitely herbal things are always safe, I think, than other things. So you don't have to do anything, you have to just wash it with it. That's it. How you sanitize your hand, just sanitize that with it. And because for pregnant ladies and delivery, especially people who have given delivery, because you will be going through so many things, your hormones will be changing and your immunity will not be so strong as a normal body of a human being, because and even pregnant ladies, even your hormones will be up and down, and immunity, you need to be strong from all the side and keep the baby strong and safe inside you. And okay, she's saying her leg is paining. Do you want to say something? So, and people who have given delivery, do keep your baby safe, and mothers are the only one who can keep the baby safe from everything. That's what I feel. So whenever you're using anything for them, please sanitize. Like if you are even buying a bottle for the milk, please wash it and sanitize it properly. If even for the kids, like not only the newborn kids or anything, but even for the newborn kids, please wash their clothes in Dettol. Just sanitize everything, whichever new clothes you people are buying. Do not put the clothes just like them on the babies. That's how this virus spreads. And babies are definitely, they're very small and their immunity is not so strong like elders, and they need to be secured and saved from all these things. And that's it. So even I wash my daughter's clothes, everything always in Dettol, because I feel Dettol, even my sister-in-law and like my sister-in-law, she told us that to wash the clothes in Dettol, because that's what she used to do for her son. And to sanitize their bottles, definitely the milk bottles, and any fruits, veggies they are giving, I will put in the description link. I'll search in the net and I will put in I'm so sorry, I'll search in the Google and I will put in the description. That will be easy for you guys. Just buy, if you just check it out and just buy the product, because you need to keep your family, your kids safe, right? That's what, as a house lady, as a mother, is our first thing. So that's it guys, and I will link in the description box. I'll just search it and I'll put it in the description box. Check it out, buy it and use it for your family, your home, your kids, okay? And I'll see you after some time. My daughter wants to say something. Do you want to say something?
Bye-bye.
Okay, her hair is a mess because I tied her ponytail. You can see her hair is so silky. Her hair is so silky that the rubber band even doesn't stays in her hair. So I will just tie her hair and I will get back to you. Bye. Guys, so we both were sitting here and I was just going through my phone, and I just got one wash name which for veggies and for fruits you can use it, and you will get that in Nykaa.com. That's what I checked in my phone. So I'll put it in the description box, the link, so you can just check it out. It's from Neem. Neem is definitely good. If you have neem soap, if you take bath in neem soap, or neem products are always good. That is herbal things. So you can just check it out. I'll put it in the description link. And that's all, guys. Bye. We'll see you after some time. Bye. Hi, guys. My daughter, she's crying. I'll show you guys. Okay, here she's crying. She just wants, I don't know, we cannot understand what she's saying. So today we are making, so her food is already ready. I put it in the cooker, her food. So I think she might be hungry, and generally by this time she feels sleepy. So maybe that's the reason she's a bit irritated. And do you want to say something? Rain is not coming. So there's wind outside, guys, and my husband he went out and hey, they're listening to you. What do you want to say? she's sometimes so funny, guys, and that's all, guys. And so there's one lady who stays just opposite to our building house. So she calls her Ajji. That's what we call in here in Bangalore, we call old ladies Aya or Ajji. So she calls her grandmother Aya, but then Ajji is a Kannada word, so that's what she's calling for her, Ajji. And that's all, guys. I have to feed her and I have to put her to sleep. I'll continue the vlog after she goes to sleep because she's already irritated. And that's Puri Jagannath. In our bedroom I have put it, and we have Krishna and Tirupati Balaji here, as you can see. So that's it, guys. And my husband is here, but then he's just sitting. He's seeing Rudy's Revolution. So here he is. And okay, guys, I'll continue the vlog after I'll feed her and I'll put her to sleep. Then I'll continue. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Hi guys, I just want to show you my daughter's dress. Come here, get it. So this is the jacket we got from First Cry, and it looks thin, but it have the warmness when they wear it. And inside this, she's wearing a frock from First Cry. I will link it in the description box. I don't know. I don't think I have this frock link because this was gifted by her aunt. So one might show it properly, no? So she's not. So it have a small rabbit kind, and I'll show you. I'll put it in the description box if you want to check it out. People can check it. Okay. So that's it. Bye, guys. So it's going to rain. The climate is too bad, and my daughter, she slept. So mama is sleeping, and I'm cooking food. So my rice is ready, and dal. Actually for my daughter we made chicken leg piece. So my husband got leg piece for her because definitely every Sunday we give her once we give her chicken, because obviously she is growing and she needs more protein than us as elders. So I have made rice and dal. I have put a dal to boil. Dal I have made. I have already made in moong dal. I have made bhaji. So from moong dal I have made the bhaji with onion and green chili. So I put it in, like, from moong dal, it's not from besan. So bhaji also is ready, and there was pudina in the fridge. So I have made the chutney and dal rice and moong dal bhaji. Today is the menu, and my daughter is sleeping. So there she is, guys. She's sleeping in deep sleep. She was crying because she was so much irritated from 12:30, because she starts feeling sleepy by 12:30. So I made her food and she ate her food and she is in deep sleep. And my husband is gone to terrace to get the clothes which we have again washed. Yesterday we washed and we put the clothes to dry, but then because of rain everything was wet. Like, everything was, again we had to wash the clothes today in Dettol because my daughter's clothes were there. So we washed, and now again it is going to rain. The climate is the sky is getting black. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on, I'll try to show you from the balcony. So it's going to rain. I think another half an hour it's going to rain. So my husband he went to but there's a lot of wind outside. You can see I think there's some parts of the sky which is black, so and the birds are also flying. There's a lot of wind, and so that's all for lunch menu. And dinner also, I think it'll be the same, only the bhaji will change because I've only made bhaji for the afternoon, not for night. So dal will be dal and rice will be having for night, and after night I don't know, I think papad fry or with pickle or something will eat. And that's it, guys. So that's all for today, and I'm going to end the vlog here, guys, because this vlog will be ending here, but today's night video will be added. Today's night vlog will be for tomorrow. It will continue till tomorrow, so that's how I make my vlogs. And okay, guys, take care. Stay inside your house because of this virus. Stay safe, stay blessed, be happy, and take care of your kids and elder people, because elders and kids, they need more our care and love at this time. And yeah, that's all. Bye, guys. Love you so much. Take care, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.